New York is 3 hours ahead of California, but that does not mean California is slow. A start in the right track will put your preparation ahead. So July 17 will be your NEET exam, right? So roughly you got 1 month for your preparation. So I just divided the entire track into two ways. One is entirely for repeaters, those who prepared well or for 1 year, 2 year, anything, and those for freshers, which means they just finished the 12th exam and they just crack or they just prepare for 1 month for the entire NEET exam, right? So before going into the video, welcome to my channel Inspiring Brains. This is Hari, completed physiotherapy, currently doing 3rd year MBBS and a part-time biology faculty. So first we'll start with the repeaters. All your portions will be covered, and in one or other way you'll write the unit test for the entire things, right? So of course you have completed everything. So now it's time to concentrate three things. One is how to avoid your careless mistakes. The second is how to increase your total. The third is how to maintain a balanced revision. And of course this is a tried, right? When you know how to manage your revision, or when you know how to avoid the silly mistakes, automatically leads to increased total. So let's learn it. The first strategy is do all the three subjects in a day. So studying one subject for 1 week or completing the entire thing for 1 week will not work anymore. So you have to fix, or you have to reschedule it in such a way that you're covering the entire subjects, all the three subjects and all the three parts in each subject for the entire day. Like I'll just give a demo for it. This is my general things. For example, I'm just waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning, followed by meditation. I'm just starting with NCERT chemistry, so inorganic notes at 5:30 a.m. I'll usually revise all the things or for just half an hour for the inorganic. Then 6 to 8:30 I'll be doing physics, and 8:30 to 9 I'll be having some breakfast. 9 to 12:30 I just allocate for biology. I'm just studying with some of the chapters. See, even for studying biology, I'll just divide it into two things in such a way that one is human physiology, which I like and which I know the things. The second one is animal kingdom, which actually I don't like, or even I don't score more marks in it. So I just divided in such a way that I'm covering both the things. And after that I'm just having some break, a lunch, followed by just starting the things by 2:30 to 4:30 will be physical chemistry, and 4:30 to 5 will be a break, and 5 to 7 will be physics, and 7 to 9 will be biology, and followed by dinner, and 9:30 to 11 I'll be concentrating on organic chemistry. So this is a rough workout which was done by me during my preparation. And when you see this, I just covered all the parts. Like for example, if you take chemistry, inorganic is over, physical is over, organic is also over. So in such a way that every parts of every subject will be over. So this should be your ideal thing. So cover all the three subjects in a day. Second strategy is you have to attend grand test. So just like brush your teeth, there should be 3 grand tests per week, like 3, at least 2 to 3. So how it will work? See, attending the grand test will not give you anything, but what you have to do is you have to review. So when I attend a question paper, after getting the answers, I should review the question paper, and I have to make some notes from the question paper into my notes, and I have to revise back again and again. This will surely increase your marks. And the third important strategy is especially for those who just complain that I just completed all the portions, but still I can't get the actual marks because of the careless mistakes or because of something. I strongly recommend a technique called as again doing the question paper. Like I have to attend a question paper, and after 2 to 3 days I have to attend the same question paper. So what strategy is, the brain and the eyes are too focused on the things which you made mistake in the last time. So ultimately you have 200% focus on all the questions and all the mistakes. So finally it's an exercise for your brain to overcome all the mistakes, the careless or silly mistakes. So when you do this again and again, slowly your brain will adapt so that you can concentrate more on the questions to reduce your mistakes. So this will be fine for all the repeaters. So study all the three subjects in a day, do at least 3 grand tests per week, and the third is for all those who just having some less marks though you studied well. So you have to concentrate or again do the same question paper. This is 3 strategies for repeaters. Now we'll go for the freshers. So last week we just went to take offline classes, that is crash course for all the new batches which is just they finished the 12th. And what I learned is they don't concentrate in the 11th because of the COVID situation, and in the 12th many portions are deleted. So this was their situation. So what you have to do for this 1 month: first, concentrate on 12th. So in 12th you have at least read something, right? So concentrate on all those chapters. So this will give you marks, because ultimately 11th and 12th will be your NEET, and of course 50% will be from your 12th. So if you concentrate 12th well, at least you can get some 300 to 350 plus marks. This sounds good, right? So instead of wasting more time in the chapters which you doesn't know, spend those time in the 12 chapters and increases your chance of getting more marks and getting correct ones. That will be the first important strategy. Second is attend a single grant test per week. So when you're a repeater, just set it as 2 to 3, and when you're a fresher, just 1, because you doesn't know how the questions will be framed in the NEET. So once you attend the grant test, you might be amazed, like these are all the things they are framing the questions. Like you'll get the points how they are framing, and just attend the correct ones which you have studied. For example, if I study the 5 chapters, the questions from the 5 chapters will be presented in the question paper, right? And you have to attend it correctly. This is the first one. So the take home messages from the grant test is attend the questions which you studied. Second is just go through the question papers, just go through the physics, chemistry, everything. So when you go through this, ultimately you'll end up in some position, you automatically attend some questions that's based on your knowledge or something. You might be ended up in attending 2 or 3 extra questions. That sounds also great, right? The third is know the art of bubbling. So whenever you're a repeater or a full-time preparation student, they'll all have the mistake of wrong bubbling. They studied on questions and they bubble the another one in the OMR sheet. So in this framework, just know the art of bubbling. So even if you are attending some 20 or 30 or 40 anything, just attend correctly. Just bubble the options correctly in the OMR sheet. Why I'm telling us, once the NEET exam is over after July 17, you need to take an important decision whether to repeat or not. Even if you got a good results, that's okay. All the best for your medicine future. If it is not happening, then you have to land up in a thing where you have to decide whether to repeat or to join in some other courses. For this decision, your complete confidence comes from this period. So whatever you're preparing, whatever the things you're doing, and whatever the total you're getting from the NEET 2022 will give you confidence to increase the range of selecting whether you're repeating this year or to join in some other course. Because when you got a good total, automatically it gives a good rhythm, like we can clear the exam so that we can go and study the medicine. So increase your confidence towards the goal through this period. This is the important task for all the 12th. And if you clear this exam in this one shot, it's very good, and all the best to all of my juniors, right? Finally, individual things like what to study in the physics in the last say 20 days, in the chemistry and biology will be covered in separate videos. And we got a special giveaway that will be given in the next month, which is July end. So the rules for the giveaway will be dealt in all the Telegram as well as in Instagram. Do follow to know this. And if you want anything to be detailedly discussed, just put it in the comment box below. We'll do it in the next video. Thank you.